We specialize in German vehicles, Mercedes, BMW, Audis, and with these newer vehicles coming out, they require a better scanner tool to clear codes and to find faults within their computer systems. We have a lot of older people here. They can pick up the MD802 and use it without any problems. Another feature that we like is the print feature. Customers like this because they trust us knowing that we fixed their car and we're not trying to get money out of them. Due to the simplicity and the cost of the MD802 compared to the other scanners